Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever tried searching for a word inside a sentence or checking if two lines of text are exactly the same using C++? Well, today is your lucky day because we are diving into some cool string tricks that will make you feel like a coding detective. From finding hidden words to cleaning up your string in one go. By the end of this video, you'll be handling text in C++ like an absolute pro. So let's get right into it and level up your string skills.
Let's start with finding characters or substrings. When working with text, it is often necessary to determine the position of a particular word or character within a string. For this, C++ provides two functions. First one is find function or method. The find function will return the index of the first occurrence of the substring to be found. Its syntax is string variable.find, then braces and semicolon. The second method is rfind. The rfind function will return the index of the last occurrence of the substring to be found, and its syntax is string variable.rfind, braces and semicolon. If the substring is not found, both functions will return a constant value, that is string : npos, which indicate that no match was located. These functions are extremely useful when you need to search for keywords or characters within large pieces of text. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how to find characters or substrings in C++. Here the program objective is finding first and last occurrence in C++, and the expected output is first occurrence of on at :5, last occurrence of again on at :44. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon, then int main. Now we have initialized a string sentence, and in this string sentence we have stored in once on a moonlit night, shadows shown on stone, full stop and then semicolon. Now size t, then first on is equal to sentence.find in on and semicolon. We are trying to find the first occurrence of the substring on, and here we are starting on with small o. That is why the on which is there in ones will not be counted. It will start from this one, on, because this on starts from small o. Then size t last on is equal to sentence.rfind again in on and semicolon. So here in the first statement we have written find. So with the help of the find method we will find the first occurrence of on in the string sentence. But here we have used rfind, and rfind is used to find the last occurrence of on, which is here on. Then cout in first occurrence of, then /on/. So whenever we are writing /, it will be printed as just commas. The slash will be removed in the output. Then we will print the value of variable first on, which will show the index number at which the first appearance of on is happening. Then endl and semicolon. Again cout in last occurrence of on in then at last on. So here it will print the value of the last appearance of the substring on using the rfind function. Then endl and semicolon. Return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. So first occurrence of on is at index number 5 and the last occurrence of on is at index number 44. So if you start counting from 0, you will see this is indexed at 5 and the last ON is indexed at 44. Comparing strings in C++. The compare function allows us to determine whether two strings are identical or which one appears first in lexicographical order, which means the dictionary order, alphabetically which one appears first basically. Its syntax is int result is equal to string1 dot compare. Now inside the compare method we have written string2. So there are two strings, string 1 and string 2. We have already assigned values to both of these strings and then we are trying to compare them using the compare method. Now see, if the result comes out to be 0, then this means that both strings are equal. If the result is less than 0, it means that string 1 comes before string 2 alphabetically. And if result is greater than 0, then string 1 comes after string 2. So this method is particularly useful when we are sorting or alphabetically organizing the strings. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see an example of a program in which we are comparing strings in C++. The program objective is string comparison in C++. Expected output is comparing mango and melon, comparison result -4. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon, then int main. Now string word1 is equal to in double inverted commas mango semicolon, then string word2 is equal to melon in double inverted commas and semicolon. Now we are performing the string comparison in this statement. Int result is equal to word1 dot compare. Now inside the compare method we have written word2 and then semicolon. Now if you see, word1 is mango and word2 is melon, so the first letters are same mm, but then in case of the second character, word1 has A while word2 has E. So A comes first, right? That means the result will be negative. And if you see, E is positioned at the fourth position after A. So if A is at 0, then B, C, D and E. So E will be at the fourth position. So now cout in double inverted commas comparing word1. We know what is word1, it is mango. Then in double inverted commas and then word2 is melon, endl and semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas comparison result then the value of result. The value of result should be -4 because E is 4 positions ahead of A and because it is word1 which is appearing first. So that is why the result has to be in negative form. Then endl and semicolon returns 0, semicolon and curly braces end here. Now let us run the program to see the output. So it matches exactly to the expected output. Last but not the least, clearing a string in C++. Clearing a string operation is performed when we want to reset or empty a string. This operation is performed using the clear method. Its syntax is, let's suppose we have declared a string called data. Okay, so string data is equal to in double inverted commas temporary data and then semicolon. So then we can use the method clear like data.clear and semicolon. So after executing this statement, the string data becomes completely empty. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see an example of how to clear a string in C++. The program objective is clear method in C++ and the expected output is length before clear :70, length after clear :0. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon, then int main. Now string paragraph. So what is stored in the string paragraph? In double inverted commas we have written this paragraph contains a brief introduction to string methods in C++, full stop, and then semicolon. Now cout length before clear semicolon, and then we are writing paragraph dot length. So we are using the length method to find the length of the string paragraph, and endl and semicolon. Now paragraph dot clear semicolon. So here we have applied the clear method, which is used to empty the string paragraph. And now again we are going to print the length. So cout length after clear in double inverted commas, then paragraph dot length. So again the length function will see what is the length now after performing the clear operation. endl and semicolon, returns 0, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. So length before clear is 70 and length after clear is 0, which means the string paragraph is emptied.
And that's it for today's string journey. Now you know how to search, compare and clean up text effortlessly in C++, which are skills that every coder needs in their toolkit. Practice using these string methods on the CodeChef platform to use them like a pro. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.